Hi beauties, this is Cherish and I am back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to do 3 easy bang styles without cutting your hair. So you'll need a flat iron, a comb, some bobby pins, some head wraps, hair ties, a banana clip, and some brushes. Okay, so getting started, as you can see my hair is already straight and down. So what I'm going to do is begin parting my hair as if I'm going to cut bangs. So this is just how you would technically part it. So I am going to go ahead and comb that piece up, and then I'm going to fold it over towards the front. And as you can see, you already see the bangs forming. I'm going to slide that hair up just to where I want my bangs to stop. I kind of like bangs in my eyes. I've always liked that. So I'm going to fold that a second time, and then use the bobby pins just to pin that down. And that's what it should look like. And then I'm going to just kind of work with that hair just to make sure that the hair looks like it's coming from the parts, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to take my headbands. Now you can find the fat headbands, or even you can use a head wrap and create like a bow on top of your head, but these are all that I found, so I couldn't find the fat ones. So I'm going to put one on top of that section to cover up where I folded the hair and pinned it down. So I'm going to put that on top. And then I'm going to take a second headband just to really camouflage the head pins and the fake bangs. So I'm just going to make that look good, and then I'm going to take the flat iron to curl the bang area, and then I'm just going to spread it out. I like to take out those little corners. And there you guys have it. This one I called the school girl bang. I don't know, I just look like a schoolgirl. Alrighty, so moving on to the second bang style. I'm just gonna take that down, and as you can see, it's super easy just to take these styles out. So I'm going to be doing the same thing, creating like a part, and this is just so the bangs can look more natural. Alrighty, so I'm gonna just put that out of the way with the little hair tie. And now I'm going to take my Tangle Teaser faux brush. No, it's not the real one, but I got it from the dollar store for $1 and it works like a charm. So I'm going to brush my hair up. Then I'm going to use my bristle brush to really get that ponytail nice and flat, and then I'm going to use a hair tie to tie it up in a high ponytail. I want a very high ponytail for this look. So then I'm going to take that bang area, and then I'm going to gather it up on top, and then I'm going to take another little scrunchie and I'm going to go ahead and tie that up as well. And now, as you can see, I'm going to take that hair from that part, and then I'm going to also gather some more hair from the ponytail because I want a thicker bang. So if you want a thicker bang, then I would suggest getting some more hair from the ponytail. And then I'm going to fold that over a little bit just to create the little bang look. So this can be done with long hair, any kind of hairstyle. So curly hair, longer hair, you're just going to make your adjustments. Your bun will be bigger. You're just going to work with it, but I'm sure it can be done. So now what I'm going to do after pinning that part down, I'm going to take the remainder of the hair from the ponytail and begin to wrap it around to camouflage that little hump and just to make a nice little top knot bun. Then I'm going to take a hair tie, and you already know I'm going to wrap that around. And there you have it, the top knot bang. That's what I call this style. And yeah, I'm just going to, you know, make sure the bangs look great. Then I'm going to take the gel and my little edge brush. Swoop out those baby hairs, pull down those sideburns. And now what I'm going to do is use this bobby pin to kind of weave through that bang on top. That way it can be more secure, and you know, I already tested this, that way the wind will not blow it up. But yeah, I found that to be really helpful. So now I'm going to take the flat iron to bump that little bang, and then I'm going to spread it and fluff it and work it out. And I really like this look. This look, I really love it. Super cute. And that's the top knot bang, you guys. Very simple. Alrighty, now for style number 3, last but certainly not least. Okay, so I'm going to take that down, and now same thing, got the part sectioned off. I'm going to put that up, and now I'm going to brush it up into like as if I'm putting my hair into a ponytail. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my banana clip, and I'm going to pop that on top of my head. So as you can see, the banana clip is pretty far up. You can use a puff cuff too. Like if you have like your natural curly hair and you want to do like curly bang look, yeah, that will work too. But I'm going to go ahead and put that front part with the bang is supposed to be with that. I'm going to clip the banana clip closed, and then I'm going to pull that bang area forward. And then I'm going to pretty much do the same thing. Pin it down, secure the bag, no, secure the bang. And I did put the clip right there on top like I did the last style, just to make sure it's more secure. I'm not going to use the flat iron, and just to keep in mind, the flat iron that I'm temperature that I'm using is on very low, like 300 or something, just enough to bump it. And I'm going to do the curling of the ponytail in the back. Like I said, it's not really going to get much of a curl because it's on a very light setting. And my hair's been straight for over a week by now, so it's okay. But yeah, I don't want to do too much heat. So I'm just going to curl that back part very lightly. And now what I'm going to do is just mess around with it until I think it looks good. And then I'm going to take my handy dandy bobby pin, and then I'm going to pin that hair towards the front just to make it look, you know, effortless and little shaggy. I'm going to do my baby hairs or sideburns. I don't know why I did this. I normally don't do it like that, but I don't know. I guess I wanted the hairy sideburns. And I'm just going to fluff out that bang and spread it. Make it look all, you know, realistic. And there you guys have it. This one I called the Toss Chic Bang. It just looks tossed up there, you know, but it looks effortless, you know. I think it's cute too. So that is pretty much it, you guys, for these styles. You can even swoop that bang to the side if you want to. Yeah, really easy. But this is it for these bang looks. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, just to try something new, I thought it would be cool to do something like this. And yeah, if you guys like how these looks turned out, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and do it. Do the bell too while you're at it. That way you can be notified when I post new videos. And I thank you guys for tuning in. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.